Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu be kandai pra.
Menteri Ketenangan Boarding Abu Tahir Mandal Ulaong Bamenta ke Jylla Kadon ha Khim Khait Namar ke Jingtyrkhong gawa Umiam. Kumba kalong menta Ulaong bako kala hiar si hiar bat ka syong satang ha ka bor jong uslap pan pelak ya ke Jylla na ka jing pelip ding. Ulai thu baman ka singi ke Jylla kadon kam henriu point henriu lani nyo million unit ke boarding. Bat ke Jylla lejong menta ke penmi tang iwe point san million unit. Bat ha kini ki arlai singi ke lunaru ya si million unit bat ke batam nang ta hab ban chutiet ya ke boarding.
From day one, we were having concern. I told you also that the level of Umiam is one of the lowest as per the history of Umiam is concerned. And we are standing on at 3,170 feet. Another feet down, another 5 feet. Another 5 feet down means problem. I don't know, this week I have not taken that what is the water level and all these things. If I would know that you would come, then I would collect it also. So this is the thing as far as Umiam is concerned. We cannot generate mass power. Our all units are just spinning for sometimes, then wait for water to gather, then we go. All stations are like that only. Sometimes all things are doing and working holistically to see that this crisis is over. I don't know if any water has accumulated in the dam site or not. Yesterday rain was really good. I thought it will prolong for at least 3-4 hours. But after 15 minutes it gone. We are working on it. We don't want that it should not be much more what is there. Planning some short-term remedies to cope up with the present scenario. And at the same time some long-term measures so that in future we are not subjected to such kind of crisis. At the same time, the demand is increasing proportionately in a higher rate than the generation is there. That we got to understand also. Certain projects we are trying to see that they are coming as early as possible. So if these things are happen, then automatically the problem will be solved. They are to inject the power in the grid. Thrice I have cancelled my program. But one day generates, next day closed down. It's not like that. What we have done, we are trying to pursue on that line. Maybe local shutdown in some areas because of the tensioning of the conductor, maybe repair works. It is there, but as of now, what I told you earlier, it is continuing like that only. We are very thankful to Honorable High Court that they have given us a direction also, that we can purchase power and pass it on to consumers also. We are happy, but it is not like that we purchase at high rate and tell consumers that you give in a high rate, because the rate is fixed not by MECL or Power Department, it is fixed by State Regulatory Commission. So we have petitioned them. Let us see that if any respite we get or not. Pray to Almighty that load shedding hours will be reduced. I'll tell you a simple example. Every day we need 6.67 million units of power. We are generating from our own state generating units only 1.5 in average. 2-3 days we just cross, or less than even 1 million. So where from the rest comes? Where from it is coming? It is coming from banking and purchasing. Now we will be not able to tell you or give you the details because the rate fluctuates when you are purchasing. It is in peak hour or it is non-peak hour. Accordingly, rate also fluctuates. So when we'll come in the conclusion, then only we'll know that how much we spent for.